Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best treadmills for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the WellFit Walking Pad Treadmill with 10% incline. This compact treadmill is perfect for those working from home or living in small spaces. Its ultra-slim design, standing at just 3.6 inches tall, allows it to slide easily under a desk or bed for efficient storage. The 10% incline options let you simulate uphill walking, boosting bone and muscle strength while enhancing calorie burn. The treadmill features a robust 2.5 HP motor that supports speeds up to 4 miles per hour, making it ideal for light walking or jogging. It's compatible with smart apps like KineMap and Apple Health, allowing users to track their progress, customize workout plans, and even compete virtually with family and friends. However, its fixed frame design limits versatility for advanced runners, and the maximum weight capacity is capped at 265 pounds. Overall, the WellFit Walking Pad is a great choice for beginners looking for a space-saving treadmill with incline functionality. While its limited speed may not suit serious runners, its smart app integration and low noise levels make it ideal for casual at-home workouts. At number 4, we have the Funray Versatile Walking Pad Treadmill with Incline. This innovative treadmill stands out with its dual functionality, offering both fitness and relaxation with its built-in foot massage feature. The treadmill mimics the sensation of walking on soft pebbles, providing a soothing experience for your feet after a workout or a long day. Equipped with a powerful 2.5 HP motor, the Funray treadmill supports speeds up to 6.2 miles per hour when the armrest is extended, catering to both walkers and joggers. It boasts a robust weight capacity of 330 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The advanced shock absorption system ensures joint protection and a comfortable workout experience. However, its incline options are limited to 5%, which may not provide a significant challenge for those aiming for higher intensity workouts. The Funray Walking Pad combines versatility and user-friendly features like dual screens and remote control operation. It's a fantastic choice for families or individuals seeking a treadmill that offers more than just fitness. But the lower incline percentage might be a drawback for some. Claiming the third spot is the WellFit Treadmill for Home Small Walking Pad with 10% incline. This ultra-light treadmill, weighing just 29 pounds, is ideal for small spaces, thanks to its compact design. It features 3 incline levels, 0%, 3%, and 10%, allowing you to target specific muscle groups and simulate outdoor terrain for a more dynamic workout. The 2.5 HP motor operates at noise levels lower than 40 decibels, making it perfect for working from home or apartment use. With adjustable speeds of up to 4 miles per hour, users can alternate between walking and light jogging seamlessly. The 5-layer anti-slip belt and 8-point shock absorption system prioritize joint health, ensuring a low-impact workout experience. However, this treadmill's lightweight design sacrifices a wider running belt, which might be restrictive for taller users. If you're looking for a quiet, space-saving treadmill that offers incline functionality and smart app integration, the WellFit Walking Pad is a solid option for beginners and casual users. Taking the runner-up spot is the WellFit Walking Pad with 10% incline and handlebar. This upgraded model offers 4 incline levels, 0%, 3%, 6%, and 10%, making it a versatile pick for users who want to intensify their home workouts. The handlebar provides additional stability, which is especially helpful for beginners or those recovering from injuries. With its ultra-quiet 2.5 HP motor, adjustable speeds of up to 4 miles per hour, and smart app integration with KineMap and Apple Health, this treadmill delivers a seamless fitness experience. Its advanced shock absorption system protects your joints, while its compact design ensures easy storage. However, the treadmill's 265 pounds weight capacity may not accommodate all users, and the speed might be insufficient for advanced runners. The well-fit walking pad with handlebar is perfect for beginners and casual users who value stability and incline versatility. Its user-friendly features and quiet operation make it a worthy contender for your fitness routine. Finally, at number 1, we have the 2025 Upgrade Walking Pad Treadmill from Racebase. This treadmill is packed with features that make it the ultimate choice for beginners. Its 8% manual incline is perfect for maximizing calorie burn, simulating hill climbing, and targeting specific muscle groups for a more efficient workout. The standout feature here is the powerful 3.5 HP motor, which allows speeds from 0.6 miles per hour to 6 miles per hour, accommodating walkers, joggers, and runners alike. With a weight capacity of over 350 pounds and a spacious 36 by 15 inches running area, it caters to a broad range of users. The 10 silicone shock absorbers and 4 shock pads minimize joint impact, making it an excellent choice for users with knee or ankle concerns. Its folding design and ultra-slim profile make storage a breeze, ideal for apartment dwellers. The Racebase 2025 Upgrade Walking Pad combines power, comfort, and versatility, making it the best option for beginners looking for a treadmill that excels in performance and durability. Whether you're aiming to lose weight, improve endurance, or simply stay active, this treadmill has you covered. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.